Today, I'm going to be taking a look at this incredible plugin and showing you how it can be used to improve your mix, and we'll have an exciting console shootout following our overview. So, what is this console? The Amek 200 console is a channel strip plugin that captures the essence of the legendary Amek 9098, a piece of studio equipment that graced the recordings of countless hitmakers in the 1970s and 1980s. With that in mind, let's dive into the console and explore its key features. The EQ section, the 3-band EQ with sweepable mids, plus high-pass and low-pass filters, provides precise control over your tonal balance. This EQ is modeled after the popular Amek 200. Now, the first thing I would do is use this EQ to get the sound I want. Then move on to the compressor. This plugin includes the compression circuit from Brainworks' Amek mastering compressor. You're able to dial in a transparent setting while controlling the dynamic or make your material to have as much vibe as possible. It's up to you. Last but not least, the gate expander is taken from the Amek 9099. Plugin Alliance claims that with the complexity of each component, putting together such a console like this in real life is nearly impossible. And I have to agree. You're now listening to Console Amek 200 on every bus channel, in which all instruments and vocals are summed accordingly. The up-and-coming console will face off against its closest rival, the Amek 9099. And to spice things up, SSL Channel Strip 2 will join the fray. Let the shootout begin.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As you can hear, the original mix sounds decent, but it lacks the warmth, richness, and polish that the Amek 200 console can bring. The 9099 is similar to the 200. They both imparts a warm analog-like quality to your mixes, adding depth and dimension to your sounds. Last but not least, the SSL Channel Strip can polish and open up your mix effortlessly. There you have it. They are all great plugins. Which console is your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.